Yes.
Okay, you mentioned cost, link clicks, sales, and cost per sale. So after spending 4,332 INR, okay, Anjum also try to mention the currency. We get 11 sales. This is the campaign performance. Okay, top performing campaign, pretty good. Pearl necklace conversion campaign is the top performing one. Wow, good, you added the targeting. Great work. Age breakup. So we got most of the sales from 25 to 34, right?
Yes. Mm.
Okay. Then the platform wise, we have got most sales from Facebook.
Facebook.
In fact, yep, Facebook. I guess the cost per sale would be quite same comparatively. Like in Insta, we got a sale at 200, and here also we got a sale at 200.
I have not
In
added
fact,
that. Mhm.
okay, that's fine. So here we got two sale from Insta after spending 394. This means 394 divided by 2. So the cost per sale is 197. At Facebook, 1292 divided by 6. So cost per sale is 205. So Insta is cheaper for us comparatively in terms of cost per sale. Anyways, I'll talk about it some other time. In terms of gender, okay, we got more sales from, okay. Okay. So Anjum, it looks like female is the best, is the better gender for us, right?
We have actually targeted. That's why I have added the target uh,
It's fine.
slide.
It's fine. But no, that's fine.
We
I'm
have
saying as per the
targeted.
gender,
Mhm.
I know that. I'm saying gender wise, it seems like female performed better for us, right?
Yes, but males are also purchasing.
I can see that. That's totally fine.
Mm.
But comparatively, if I look at the data, which of the two are the better gender for us, male or female?
Females. Female.
Okay. Aman, how about
Mm.
you? Which of the two is having is better gender for us, male or female?
Obviously, females, because the main asset is jewelry, so they are more attractive. These things.
As per this report, Aman, as per the
But if
report.
we look at this
As per
Ross,
report, obviously female.
Okay. Ibu, how about you? Can you reduce anything from this report? Are you even able to comprehend what this report is all about?
Yeah. So I think it's just an analytics showing by gender in terms of website visits,
Mhm.
checkouts, and in terms of return on investment regarding the ad spend. So
Yep.
based on this, I can see that most of the visit is done by the female gender. The males are following next. But
That's
then
right.
um, in terms of return on ad spend,
Mhm.
we have more return on ad spend on on the male compared to the female, um,
That's right.
which
So
might
what
be that. Yeah.
so what if we would have spent the same amount? That means close to 1600 INR on mail. I guess we would have received 10 to 12 conversions,
Yes.
because here one sale has come at the cost of 63 rupees. This is 133 divided by 2. This is 66 rupees.
yes,
So it looks like female is a better performing for us, but this report clearly shows that male is a better performer, Anjum, not female.
yes. That's why I
Aman,
mentioned Ross.
yeah,
Mm.
right. Aman, is it clear for you why male is a better performer?
No.
Not clear. Okay. So Aman, we wanted to spend more amount to female because of the category of the website, and the primary target audience for us was female. Okay.
Okay.
So we spent more amount on female, which is 1600, 1592 to be precise.
Okay.
After spending 1600, we got 6 sales. So what is the cost per sale?
Okay.
266
Yeah.
here. Now what is the cost per sale for male? 133 divided by 2. How much is it? 66.
66. Yeah.
So which is a better gender for us as per this report?
Okay.
So which is the better gender for us?
Male, obviously.
Male, right? Because male is giving us a sale at a lesser spend,
Obviously.
which is 5 times or 4 times lesser than what we generate from female.
Yeah, obviously.
Which means, Anjum, when we started these campaigns last month, let me show you one report. This is the campaign targeting for us. Anjum, first of all, great report, very detailed for Meta as a platform. Now, this report clearly shows us that we targeted women, right?
Yes.
Now in Facebook, when we target any gender, sometimes 10 or 15% of the ad also shows to the other gender, which happened in our case. Even after targeting women, few number of ads went to male as well. But the
Yes.
report clearly shows us that male are also purchasing our items. Due to
Correct.
which we have to make a change in the campaign targeting, which is by including male as well. So now moving forward, Anju, we have to add male as well in this report.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. Then gender is fine. We can go with all of these genders, or in fact, we can even think about excluding 35 to 54 or 35 to 64. Only go with 18 to 34 as a gender. So in
Yes.
this targeting,
But yes,
okay.
I would
In
also
fact, we
like
already
to
went.
mention one
Hmm.
on the age group slide. I would like to point out like what I could comprehend from this data is like
Hmm.
there are add to cart. If you can go on that slide,
Which one? Age group one?
age group. Yes.
Okay.
Like for 35, 45 to 54, there are like
Hmm.
13 website landing page views, but nobody has, done any action after that, like added to cart or checkout initiate. So
Hmm.
what I think could be the reason is also that we don't have social media profiles, like we don't have reviews for for this age group. They I think are more mature, like they would go for this reviews thing, whether what they are purchasing is worth purchasing or not.
So they
So
are less
from
impulsive
this I
compared
could,
to the younger generations.
yes, so I could think of this thing, that this could be the reason, because there are website landing page views, but then there is nothing, no action further happening.
So can you make a note to improve or optimize these pages? I will check whom do I assign this activity.
Yes, I have
Okay.
kept a note of it.
Okay. In fact, I'm thinking to take the advice of Faisal about creating pairs here. I still have to work how to make pair, whom to connect with whom. But then let's say in pairs, one person can monitor the other person and the new one can do the activities, and the older person, more experienced person, can assign the activities to the other one. We can do it in this way. That we can test for Fab. Let's say if this works out to improve your learning. Okay, cool.
Yes.
But yeah, Anjum, that can happen. We are not sure of it. The data does not depict that, but yeah, it's quite possible. Then platform wise, okay, platform wise phase. Okay, Insta has performed better in terms of cost per sale, but frankly speaking, very marginal difference. So we don't count much on it. Then gender breakup. Okay, you already shown that. Okay. So this is fine, Anjum. We can add couple of more parameters here. But the report looks amazing to me. Very insightful report. You can share the report with other people as well, so they can go. I think it's already there. It's in the group, so people
Yes.
can go through the report. Then let me open up the report which Sandeep has created. Okay, this is Sandeep's one. Let's review the. I don't know why it's not opening. Okay, here it's opened, I guess. Yep, here is the Google performance report. Same format, 8,800 is spent. Cost per sale is 983, twice than Meta, 9 sales only. Okay, Google overall performance looks pretty okay. These are the campaigns. Okay, PMax channels performance. So we can clearly see that PMax, the most performing campaign for us, has got most of the conversions from the Discover channel of Google.
Hmm.
Then device performance. Of course, it has to be mobile devices. Device performance. Okay, day and time report. So if I look on, okay, he can't mix day and time both. It has to be either day or time. Otherwise, we won't be getting the data, which is happening in this case. Top searches, pearl necklace, this is fine. Demographic performance, this is fine. Observations, wow, great thing to learn. Last month, we achieved good click volume, but conversions are lower than expected. Indicates a traffic quality and post-click optimization. Cost per acquisition is higher. Next month, he want to focus on targeting more search intent, thinking of refining the PMax, optimize device day and time, exclude low performance demographic segment. He's thinking on working on the landing page, plan to move towards maximize conversion or target CPA. He's expecting higher sales and lower CPA. So Anjum, I think Sandeep's report is having more data, but it's less insightful. But the good part about Sandeep's report is this observation and recommendations tab.
Yes.
It's always necessary to, recommend what we are getting from this report. This
Yes.
gives us a hint or an idea of what improvement we need to do from the reports. Very important part. From your report, it's better than Sandeep in terms of data, in terms of presentation. But as I said, you don't have those recommendations. So perhaps you can add it. So whenever we make platform-wise report, it has to give all the insights of the platform. Now, I have also created one report. This is the overall report. Okay, not this one. Okay, here's my report. It's not going to have the insights of the accounts because this is the overall monthly report, right?
Yes.
So when we make overall monthly report, we don't provide the channel-wise data, but we rather provide the account data or the monthly data. So here I have collaborated both the platform cost, which means we spent 13,000. We got 2,000 clicks. We got 23 sales in total. The cost per sale is 584. The result value, which means sale value, is 7303. And the ROAS, which is return on ad spend, is 0.54x. This is the holistic report. Aman, Ibu, any doubt in these KPIs, in these metrics? Any confusion here?
No.
Ibu, do you understand these metrics?
Yeah, I do understand them. And I wanted to lay emphasis on what you said earlier, but I mean, I think I get why you said there's no need for insight now, because I believe most times you'll be working with clients, and when you work with clients, they don't just want to see the numbers, they want to see what that numbers actually mean for the business. So
absolutely. So client would love this presentation, which I'm presenting right now.
Yes. So I think I kind of understand that. So I wanted to say that earlier, but since you made emphasis on it, so I understand. So usually, once you present the data, you have your takeaway or insight by the side. and you
Mhm.
have your action title at the top to let them
Mhm.
know this is what this slide is about, and then the supporting evidence, which is the chart or whatever it is. And then you have the insights, takeaways by the side. So that is now available. That wasn't, I mean, mentioned in the earlier slides, earlier presentation. So I believe subsequent presentations will have them. But
It's
I'm
fine.
very clear on this.
Yeah, it's totally fine. So, yeah, the two most important metrics for a client are the last two ones, result value or the ROAS. If result value is high, this ROAS will also go high. If result value is less, then ROAS will become less. So usually clients are always looking to get a ROAS of around 3, 4, 5, or 6x. They usually want to get more than 3x of ROAS. 0.54 is a terrible ROAS for us, by the way. But a lot of people are working on the account. We are doing it for the learning basis. Also, that was our first month when we ran the campaign for the complete month. So this is fine. But for the month of Feb, at least we should target to increase this ROAS from 0.5 to 2x. All right. That's our target for Fab.
Yes.
And we have to think, how do we achieve this target? I have not started the campaigns yet because I really wanted to talk to you guys about improving this ROAS. So you have to work as a team and then think and focus on improving the targets for this month. All right. Then the report looks similar. Google ad performance, campaigns, searches, Meta ad performance, campaigns, some analytics information is there. So this is a glimpse of all the accounts. It's not having the insights of each and every platform, which are going to come in your separate reports. In the end, I have to mention the plan of action for the month of Feb, which I have not mentioned. So Anjum, let's say you add the plan of action for Meta ads. You can update this slide, write down what plan of action you want to have for Meta.
Okay.
Then Sandeep can write the plan of action for Google ads. And Aman, you can write the plan of action for SEO.
Okay.
Okay. So Ibu, right now, Google is being managed or is being monitored by Sandeep, Meta by Anjum, and SEO by Aman. 3 people are monitoring these 3 platforms separately. SMM is not assigned to anyone yet. I really have to work upon whom do I assign SMM. But yeah, in SMM also we need to do a lot of work. So the idea is to get good sales from in the month of Feb, at least from Google and Meta. For SEO, it's yet to get started. I'll have to separately have a couple of sessions with them, and then I will discuss how do we get some traffic from SEO, which translates into sales. Anyways, so this is how the reports look like. Now we clearly have to plan for the month of Feb. So this was the media plan for Jan. This is the regular media plan, not for Jan. Now we have to plan what all campaigns do we run in Fab. So I can make a copy or duplicate and name it as Fab Media Plan. So before we start any project, before we start any month, it's required that we make the strategy for the month. In fact, in last month, we wanted to spend 40,000, wanted to generate 80 sales at the cost per sale of 501. By the way, our cost per sale is already achieved. So if we would have spent 40,000 rupees, we would have easily received 80 sales. Or I guess lesser number of, no, not 80, sorry, lesser than 80. So this is, let me check. What is the cost per sale in my report? Yep. Okay, it's slightly more than the expected one. Yep. We wanted to get a sale at 500. We got a sale at 585. So we missed by, in fact, we missed in most of the metrics. We missed by amount spent. We missed in terms of sales. We also missed in terms of cost per sale and ROAS too. Okay. So Anjum, I would like to start with you because Sandeep is not here. Now tell me what all campaigns you would like to run for the month of Feb. So I will take away the other campaigns then. I think it's fairly needed to remove traffic and awareness campaigns from the list.
But I was thinking like we should target with full funnel strategy. Like we should target cold audience, then our warm audience, and then like if we look at the current last month, we had one campaign going on and the product got sold out, and then we were left with no option. So like
Right.
if we had continued with a product catalog campaign, added more products and tested, somehow we might had that campaign running.
It's
One
fine, but
another
right now, yeah, it's fine. But we have to decide the campaign first, then only we get into the products.
Okay.
So firstly, we have to decide which all campaigns do we run for the month of Feb. Then after it, we will also discuss what products we add in those campaigns.
All right, but I think we should have inventory first, then we should decide. I don't know, my mind works like that.
Okay, so have you pulled out any inventory? Okay, Anjum wants, guys, she wants us to discuss the inventory first. She thinks if we don't have the right inventory, then perhaps we won't get the right results. Right, Anjum? So do you
Yes.
want me to open the inventory?
Yes, like we should have an idea what are our products.
Okay, let's
Like
do
we
that.
have added, even if we have jewelry products, we have added some other products as well on the website.
Apart from jewelry,
Yes.
we added a couple of products similar. Okay, so if we added bag, it's not a direct jewelry, but it's gonna be purchased by the similar kind of audience. We only added 2 additional products for testing. This was the bag.
No,
Ladies,
there are
then
more
what
products.
else? Okay,
There are more products.
then we had
You
this
can
dog
next
poop
page.
Cooper. What else do we have?
This watch,
Okay,
phone
watch.
holder.
We didn't promote it. We had this, but we didn't promote these products, right?
No, if somebody comes to our website and if we have mentioned like this is artificial jewelry store, and then we have different products
We have
there
never,
as well.
we have
Wouldn't
nowhere mentioned it's artificial jewelry store, by the way.
we have in title and description. I'm not sure about description, but it's in title.
Yeah, but people don't read title. Come on. Okay, what is MI?
Algorithm
What is
does. Algorithm does.
But how does it matter? Right now, we are discussing the traffic that comes from the paid sources. Do you
Even
think
then,
Meta?
algorithm.
Okay.
Even then algorithm reads your site website data, and then we get an auction. Relevance. How do we check the relevance?
For Meta or Google? Tell me this
For
first.
both.
No, tell me first one platform. Choose one platform first.
I think for Meta also.
You want to talk about Meta first?
Yes.
So in Meta, let's say if we are running ads for this product, then the ad is going to talk about this sling bag, right?
Yes.
When person lands, he comes on this sling bag page.
Yes.
He buys the product
Mm.
or leaves the product.
Mm.
So where do we have disconnection in terms of the relevancy? Person sees bag as a product, he lands on the landing page of the bag. Where's the mismatch?
But then they can go on the other page as well.
Yeah, they can, that's fine. But tell me, okay, when you say relevancy, it's about what he see and where he land. When you say relevancy, right? There's an ad relevancy parameter in Google and Meta both.
Yes.
What is the definition of that ad relevancy parameter? Ad relevancy is a prime quality score parameter in Google, right?
Yes.
That means when he searches for something, let's say if person searches for sling bag, then he gets the ad of the sling bag. The
Yes.
content of the ad has to be sling bag.
Yes.
Where person lands, the page should show sling bag. That means same product, right?
Mm.
Search for same product, getting the same information in the ad copy, landing on the same product page. What else do you want?
Okay, so as per you, it does not have any impact.
No, matlab, how are we deducing this information? I mean, we have to go to definitions. This is the main parameter, right? Ad relevancy.
Mm.
Put simply, the ad relevancy is how closely an advertisement matches the interest of consumers that see it online at any given time and context. For such advertisement, the definition can be refined further by means how closely an advertisement matches the search term used by the internet users.
Hmm.
Anyways, you won't get anything. I mean, in fact, I didn't get much from this definition. But in your understanding, MI as a phone brand, Apple as a phone brand, Samsung as a phone brand, say a lot of nearby accessories in their shops, in their portals. Tell me any company which is only selling that product and nothing else. Think about it. Maybe a shoe brand.
Mm.
So a shoe store would be usually selling shoes, right? To
Yes.
match the quality. Name any shoe brand name.
Nike.
Nike. So let's say we go to Nike. Nike is a very popular footwear brand. We all know that. If I go to the website of Nike, do we have a website of Nike in India? I'm not sure of it. I don't think we have it. Yep, here we have. So Nike ideally should be selling shoes, right? But let's
Yeah.
go through the site. Let's see what all they are selling. Now they are selling basketballs. Here they are selling shoes. Here they are selling t-shirts. Here they are selling shoes. And here they are even selling bags. So if Nike is a footwear brand, first of all, we have to understand if it's a footwear brand or not. Then it's a total mismatch.
But they are
Anjum.
selling closely related products.
Okay. So now you are saying if brand is selling closely related product, it's a match. Otherwise, it's a mismatch technically. Okay, this is shoes, which is closely related. That's fine.
But they have, categorized it in different sections.
So that's why I
That-
wanted you. That's why I wanted you to answer. Give me one name of a brand which only sells shoes. Nike is a sportswear brand, by the way. It's not a shoe brand.
I think Vans, they sell shoes.
Anjum, anything
even
from
they
you?
have
Any
bags.
Indian brand? I
Comet.
want Anjum to answer.
Comet. Gully Labs.
I want Anjum to answer.
No, I cannot think of any brands.
Think of any brand, any women brand which you think is only selling this product. Because in that way, there's no single brand which only sells that's only product. Think of any brand, name anything. Let's check what does these brand do. Anjum, name any brand of anything that you can think of.
I would have answered if I could have think of. Uh,
Oh God. Let's say Bata. Bata is a very renowned brand of India into shoes, right? Bata shoes.
yes.
And you would think Bata should only sell shoes, right? Now,
No,
if I
that's
go
not.
into them, I'm sorry, what?
See, that's not my point. My point is, look, even if they are selling different products, but
Hmm.
they are in separate pages, are they?
Hmm.
If we can check,
They have
they are
different
in
categories,
different
yeah.
pages. Yes,
Yeah, that's fine.
yes. But on Springtails, we have not done that.
No, in Springtails also we have different pages for different products. We are not combining the products and in one single pages. Haven't we? So are you saying we are mixing jewelry pages with bags or something else?
Yes, all the products.
Yeah. Where? Give me one page of jewelry which is matching with, let's say, bags.
No, in on our home page.
It's fine. It's a home page, by the way. It's totally okay.
Okay,
Do people
no,
land
it's
on the
okay.
home page, by the way? From our
No.
ads, are people landing on the home page?
No, but if you see it as a user experience,
Hmm.
if you look at from the user experience perspective, to me, it doesn't look good.
I guess, yeah, to me also, now you are making sense. Absolutely. So, Anjum, there are two different things. As a user experience, if we are claiming ourselves as a jewelry brand and we are showing bags, then as a user experience, it's not the right strategy, right?
Hmm.
But not technically. Earlier, you were saying it's giving us a less ad relevancy. You were talking the technical terms earlier.
Hmm.
Now you are changing your statement from technical mismatch to the user experience. I hope now you are getting what I'm trying to convey.
Yes. Maybe
On
I
the
was not able to convey
Yeah,
it
on the
right way.
technical ground, yeah, on the technical ground, these are the very thin lines which you have to answer in the interviews, because when you say there's a mismatch in terms of ad relevancy, the person has to check the mismatch from the technical term that you have used. So in ad relevancy, we are totally fine when we are showing the ad of, let's say, this product, landing the person on the same product. Again, it's a mismatch if we are showing the ad of jewelry and landing him on the home page, then it's a mismatch, Anju,
Yes.
in technical terms. But we are not doing this, right?
No.
In any of the campaigns, we are not landing people on the home page after showing them the jewelry ad. When we show them the jewelry ad, in most of the cases, we are simply landing them on the product pages. So here we have the ad relevancy. Yes, in terms of user experience, it looks silly to show the bags while we are saying we are a jewelry brand, we are an artificial jewelry brand, because that's what we are claiming in the title, online artificial jewelry store. So there's something that we have to discuss separately, whether we do this or not. I did this only for the experiment, by the way. Sometimes brand also experiment things, like if you will go to MI as a brand, which is a mobile brand initially. These days, MI is making cars, or MI is making a lot of home equipments, including air fryers, which is the kitchen equipment, by the way, and TVs. So if brand is deciding some strategy, then they will be having an internal discussion, and yeah, they can do that. It's totally fine when they are doing that. It's a different call of the brand whether they should do this or not, but technically they are okay. As per the strategy, it depends on what strategy they are having for that year or for the entire brand. Okay, this is something which comes in the business planning part, not in the advertising part.
Okay.
Okay, we are not doing the business planning right now. When we do that business planning session, yes, we have to really think whether it's fine for these bags, or in fact the bag is somehow similar, but one thing which I advertised last month, this is dog poop is Cooper. This is totally a mismatch with the brand. In fact, watch can match with artificial jewelry, because watch is also a wearable accessory, right? But
Yes.
this magnetic phone holder and this dog poop scooper, it's a total different category based product. I only did this for testing. I wanted to test something which we should remove. And if you are right, we should remove these two products at least. So let's say if you have the access of Shopify, remove these two products from there. All right.
Yes, I have to log in that.
Okay. Now you want to decide the product first before we get into the CAMFAB plan, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see what all products we have in scope first. So in necklace sets, which is our main category, this main product is sold out. We can still think of targeting this product. We can go with this second product. Third is sold out. Most of these, oh my God, all these 4 products are sold out. So we also have to
Yes.
think of adding a couple of more products from the inventory.
Yes.
Anjum, how about starting with these 2 products, this one and the next one? Does this look okay to you, both of these products?
Can we check the inventory first? Like, I don't
Yeah.
want to, get into the same thing. Like,
Okay.
then we have to
Let's-
stop the cam.
Okay, let's check the inventory. Shall I search for jewelry sets?
I think I used the wrong word. The products that we have on the website, like the 2 products that we were thinking of promoting, can we check how much are they in stock?
Mhm.
That's what I meant.
Okay, let's
actually.
check that first. Okay, so if I talk about these 2 products, let me increase the number of rows. And from here, okay, 1 second. So this is the one product, oval grill crystal pendant. We shall have the second one somewhere nearby. Okay, this is the second one. So here we have inventory of 1415, which is pretty good. That means we can
Okay.
easily sell this product for entire month. 1400 is a good number. And
Okay.
secondly, this one is only for 38, which means we shall not choose this product
Mhm.
to promote,
Yes.
because this inventory can be sold out in next couple of days.
Hmm.
Right. Shall we check for any other products then? We can't rely
Yes.
on one single product.
Yes.
So let's go to other product pages. Okay. So last time those 2 products were taken from this product for testing tab. So when Reposo launch product in testing tab, they are always having lesser inventories. And we took those products, at least couple of products from the testing ones. So let's not take from testing. Let's go to home and get into the jewelry tab. Okay. So Anjum, this is the new page for us. This is a new chick butterfly tassel necklace, but only having 94 in stock. Then this is a good product, by the way. Gold plated pearl layer necklace. Does it look good to you? A necklace with
Yes.
3, having good number of stocks, 492.
Yeah.
And quite cheap, 203. So I have opened this tab. I think it's already pushed to Shopify. Is it? I'll check it. It's showing pushed here. You would need this video to promote. Anyways, so this is one. We will check whether it's there or not. How about this one? Okay, only 76 in stock. This is only having 94 in stock. And what else do we have? This is 1400, pretty good. Already selected this one. How about this one? Anju? Oxidized peacock style pendant and chain with earrings. We have a good number, 471.
Can try this.
I'm just
The
checking if
products
we
that
can.
we have already on our website,
Mhm.
have we, got sales for any other products? Like other day I checked diamond tennis, something we had got sale for that as well.
Only one sale.
One sale. Can we check
Yep.
like inventory for that product? We are not
We can.
promoting that. If we
Yeah,
have
we're not
got some,
promoting
maybe we
that.
can get.
Okay, let's check that one too. You're talking about this one, diamond tennis necklace?
Yes.
Okay.
It is 94 only.
I'm
I can see.
also opening this one. I will talk about it.
Mm.
And what else? So here we are getting the inventories towards the right. This can also be considered. Okay. No, this does not look good product to me. I don't know why. Diamond tennis necklace. You're talking about this one. Do you think it's a good product? I don't know.
We have not tested it. And without testing also, we got one sale for it.
Okay, that lady has purchased around 8 products from our website. She has almost purchased everything that we had.
Okay.
That order came from Aisha Rahman. I remember the customer name because she has purchased a lot of things. So can't rely on that sale.
Okay.
But yeah,
Okay.
we can still think of testing. I personally didn't like it much. And also it's not having good inventory.
Inventory, yes.
156 quite expensive considering only a single chain, 372. If you want, you can still try it out.
No, because of inventory, I won't go with it.
Yeah, okay. Then let's look at this. Looks pretty interesting to me. White jewelry box with LED mirror. The only downside is the pricing. It's very expensive. 627. This is the cost price for this.
Mm.
The inventory is also good, 511, but I'm not sure if we can shall promote it. Anyways, then we have this one. A single pearl product, 246, having pretty okay inventory, 427. You can think of it. Then this is already decided. No, we can't promote it. So this one looks okay.
Yes.
How about this one, Anjum? Okay, first of all, it's not
I'm
having
not
the
sure
video.
about it.
Yeah, it's not even having the video. Then we can't promote it without a video in the conversion campaigns. We can promote it technically, but it won't drive sales without the video. So for now, let's go with 3 products. This one. Okay. Then this one and this one. All right.
Just 3 products.
To start with. Otherwise, we have to spend the entire night to review the product. We don't have that much of time, right?
But if we go with
To
like
start with,
catalog ads, okay.
yeah, I know your understanding. Like I know your concern, but we have to start with something. Otherwise, we will spend all the time in choosing the products.
Okay.
I know you would want to choose the product in the beginning, but brands sometimes keep on changing the products if they go out of stock. They don't have any control on it.
Okay.
Which is not good, by the way. But as we are not having our own inventory, we can't do much about it.
All right.
Okay, so let's talk about the campaigns. And these 3 products are decided. If all of these 3 products are pushed in the store, And do you want me to send links of these products, or you will remember these products? See.
Please share the link.
Okay, so I have to go on the website. This is one. Then this is second one. And there should be a third one too. This is the third one, right? This one.
Last one.
Yep, so I'm sharing the link in the group. Fab finalized products. Okay, I've not copied them. One, then second one, and third one. All right. Cool.
Yes.
So now we know we have 3 products to move on. Then let's quickly jump into the Fab plan. Now tell me what all campaigns do you want to run, Anjum? Do you want to run awareness campaign at all?
Conversion.
Awareness. Do you want to run awareness campaign? Branding campaign?
Awareness campaign, I would go with this if we had like a social media profile.
Right
like
now,
active profile.
To generate sales, do you want to run awareness campaign?
Okay, no.
Okay, so I'm removing it. Do you want to run traffic campaign to generate sales?
Yes.
Traffic for sales, Anjum. What happened to you? Why do we run traffic campaign, by the way? To generate sales?
No, sorry, no.
Yeah, I hope it's clear, right?
Yes, it's clear.
Traffic won't get you sales. Traffic will target people who are going to come.
Again, yes, correct.
So please don't get confused. Yeah. Okay. Ibu and Aman, I really want you to launch all of these campaigns in your ad accounts for Springtails. All right. Aman, you there?
Okay.
Aman, have you launched any of the campaigns yet?
No.
Oh God. It's been a month. What is stopping you from launching these campaigns?
I watched the videos, but I will try to run.
I'm saying, what is stopping you? Why are you not able to launch these campaigns?
I can launch, but right now I'm a little occupied regarding to interviews. That's why I don't get time. So by this week I will. By Saturday I will do.
Great. Abbas, how about you? Have you launched any of the Google campaigns? Because I guess you started watching the Google module now.
Yes, but like even campaign I have not launched.
Please do. Otherwise, you won't get hands on your campaign, and I won't be able to assign any tasks to you unless you are good to know how to launch these campaigns. Okay?
Okay.
Ibu, you also have to start launching these campaigns. So we want people to launch these campaigns in their own ad accounts for the same projects. Launching campaigns in Google does not take time. All you have to do is just create a fresh account, skip the payment method, then launch all of these campaigns one by one. So initially you have to launch campaigns of Google, then you have to launch campaigns of Meta. All right, Ibu, I hope you can do that.
Yeah. So, am I running the campaign for e-commerce for Springtail?
For Springtails, yeah.
Okay. So
first you have to practice launching these campaigns in the draft account. Draft account means the account which is not having the cards. Even without running the campaigns, even without spending money on the campaigns, you can still launch these campaigns.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to practice in your own account by
Okay.
launching all of these campaigns. And then parallelly, you will be working with the live campaigns too.
Okay. So, but I start with the draft first.
Not draft, launch these campaigns.
Okay. But
Draft, when I said draft, I meant don't spend the money on it.
okay.
Okay, but launch those campaigns in your own ad accounts. I hope you know how to set up Google and Meta ad account.
Yes, but I've not done display, video search, PMax. I think I've done search, but
That's why
otherwise.
that's why I want you to launch all of these campaigns. Launch all the campaigns
Okay.
for this project only, for Springtails. Okay.
Okay.
In the module, I have videos recorded where I have told you how to launch all of these campaigns. Okay.
Okay. In the module I'm presently watching, right?
Not in that one. Once you complete that module, I will add you in Google Ad and then Meta Ad module as well.
Okay.
So right now, the one that you are watching is the first module where you understand how to plan a project. It's only for planning.
Okay. So when do I start running the doing the campaign? When do I start launching the
Within a week.
campaign?
Within a week's time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Cool. So Anjum, we have taken off traffic and
Awareness.
awareness. Would you like to run conversion campaign? I guess for sure.
Yes. Yes.
Product catalog campaign with a lesser
Yes.
budget, I guess. Okay. Now tell me new campaign. Any new campaign you would like to run?
Not new campaign, but I would like to, in some time, I would also like to run this dynamic remarketing campaign.
Okay. And what all type of campaigns or audiences you would like to target in dynamic remarketing?
Okay, like add to cart.
Okay. Then one
Those
has
who
to
have
be dynamic retargeting, add to cart, right? Add
those
to
who have
cart.
initiated.
Then what else?
Those who have initiated checkout.
Okay. A separate campaign for that?
No, I guess we can add both audience in one campaign.
But then, okay. So if you do that, then
Mhm.
initiate checkout data would already be there in the add to cart.
Okay.
Then there won't
Yes.
be any point in running these two campaigns, right?
1 second. let me
Either you run
complete.
them separately. Even if you run them separately, then add to cart will be having the data of initiate checkouts.
Yes.
So let's see
correct.
only run it for add to cart. That will cover both.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
So dynamic remarketing, add to cart, audience, and then dynamic remarketing website visitor audience, I guess. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Good. And Anjum, if you won't remove the purchase audience from add to cart, then this add to cart will also serve you to target audience who have purchased the products, right?
Yes. Yes.
We
Yes.
can technically run a separate campaign for purchasers, which we are not doing right now, but technically we can do that as well. We are not doing it right now. I'm just naming it so that you know that we have this kind of campaign as well. So we have dynamic remarketing for website visitors, where we can target the audience list of all users who come on the website. Then we have dynamic remarketing of add to cart audience. And then finally, we have dynamic remarketing of purchases as well, which we are not doing. And most of these...
Like upselling.
Yeah, this is for upselling. Yep.
Mhm.
We are not doing it right now. I'm just mentioning it so that you guys remember. And all of these campaigns have to target products using PLA ads, product ads. Yeah. Okay, this is one.
Get this product ads.
Product ads, so product listing ads, Anjum. Ad types. Anjum, ad types. Oh God.
Ad types.
Aman, can you tell her what is product listing ads, product ads? Ad types, Anjum. Oh God.
Like
Okay, let me show you.
catalog. Product ads.
Product ads, catalog ads, product listing ads all mean same.
All of this is same.
Uh, we have no, I'm not getting this. Like product catalog
Oh God.
is format or campaign.
These are ad types, product ads. Okay. So product
Types,
catalog
in
is a
types we have
campaign type.
image. Hmm?
Yeah, beg your pardon. Anjumi, ask.
Uh,
I know what you are confused
in
at.
we have product, format. We have like image, carousel, and collection.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, I think
Regardless of the
like for
type,
these.
okay,
Hmm,
hold on. Regardless of the type, you choose the product inventory.
okay, yes, I remember now.
Now you remember? Okay. So all of these campaign needs to pick the product inventories,
Yeah. Yes, yes.
right?
Yes.
For conversion, we don't choose the product inventory, we push the separate videos into it.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
Great. Okay, so we have to run a conversion campaign, then a product catalog campaign, then we are not running a lookalike campaign, so I'm taking it off from the list. Then we have to run, okay, advantage shopping campaign. Okay, now there's a new name of advantage shopping, which is advantage sales. Technically, it's not a different campaign. The only difference is the taking all the audience in this campaign. So we don't define a separate audience for it. We allow it to run as per Google, as per Meta AI. So it's called as advantage sales campaign.
Mm.
Here we have to decide if we go with the product ads or videos. Let's say we go with videos here. Okay.
Okay.
So Anjum, we are talking about adding this new campaign, advantage sale, then a dynamic remarketing for web visitors and a dynamic remarketing for add to cart users. So in total in Meta, this month we are talking about running 5 different campaigns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right.
Okay. But
Any
I have a
confusion here?
question. Yes.
Yep. Yeah. Okay. Tell me.
Like if we go with advantage sales campaign, which means we have to give full control to Meta.
Meta.
And if we
That's right.
remember last time when
Mhm.
we duped conversion campaign and kept the settings on, advantage setting on, that hampered the performance of the existing campaign.
That's right.
So in that case, should we do
It's fine.
this?
It's fine. I know your concern. It's fine. Let's try doing it.
Okay.
So platforms accounts run in such a way that sometimes one thing that does not work you at one particular time might work when you do it again.
Okay.
So don't restrict yourself that if something did not work for you earlier, you will never try it in the future. Also, when we tried it, we tested it on a very small data, on a very small budget,
Mhm.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's decide the budgets quickly. So in total, we have to spend 20,000 on Meta, 20,000 on Google. So here, out of 20,000, let's say we assign how much? Okay, I'm just assigning it randomly. 6,000 to conversion, 3,000 to product catalog. Let's say 3,000 to advantage sale. Let's say 2,000 to dynamic remarketing web visitors, 2,000 to here. So in total, we are talking about spending 16,000. We have to add, let's keep 4,000 in our reserve. We will think later where to add these 4,000 rupees. Okay. So here conversion campaign would be having a daily budget of 200 rupees, right? Anjum? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Any
yes.
doubt how it has got 200?
Yes. Divide by 30.
Yeah, simple now. Okay.
Hmm.
Product catalog would be having a budget of 3,000. Advantage sale would be having a budget of 3,000. Dynamic remarketing would be having a budget of 2,000, and then dynamic remarketing add to cart, same 2,000. Okay. This would be the tentative average bidding 12, 10, 8, and then 9 or 10, 10. Guys, you have to watch the media planning video to know how do we create the media plan. Let's start with Delhi, targeting Delhi and NCR. Gender has to be both, male and female, okay?
Yes.
Don't restrict it to male only. And one mistake that we have done last month is by choosing this Gurgaon 40 kilometers. No, don't choose Gurgaon plus 40 kilometers. Choose Gurgaon city and Noida city.
Okay.
Okay. If you choose 40 kilometers around Gurgaon, this will go to all of the locations beyond Gurgaon. So try or avoid choosing the radius targeting.
Okay.
Okay. So go with this one, Delhi, NCR, male plus female. In age range, I guess 18 to 34 is fine for now. 18 to 30 or 34. Or 34 is fine. Okay. All right. Now, as per this data, here we are talking about generating close to 40 sales by the end of the month. In Feb, we are talking about generating 40 sales from Meta. Okay.
Okay.
It will be more. We have to increase the conversion rates a bit. So because this cost per sale is 480, we are already receiving sale less than 480, especially from the conversion campaign. So let's say here we keep it 300. Product catalog 2.5 is fine. Advantage need to get at least 3% conversion rate towards dynamic remarketing. 2 and 2 should be 3 and 3. Okay. So here now we are talking about decreasing the cost per sale from 500 to around 300 something from Meta. Okay. Okay. Now let's quickly look into Google Ads. Okay. Again, removing display and video from here. Both branding campaigns. Okay. Here the search audience has to be Delhi, NCR. Then, okay, so Anjum, do we really need to show ads in Delhi NCR on search as well? I think search can be shown to anyone in India who is searching for these products. We don't need to restrict Delhi NCR for search. Because in any which ways, we have lesser options for search, right? So it has to be India. Anyone who is searching in India. For shopping also, it's India. For PMAX, it has to be Delhi NCR. Then, okay, all audiences in Delhi NCR is fine for PMAX. We can't control age in PMAX. I hope you know that. We can't control age and gender in the PMAX campaigns, guys.
Okay.
Okay, dynamic remarketing, everyone in India who comes on the website. This dynamic remarketing is only for all audience, all site visitors. Okay. For now, search is fine. Let's say we are talking about allotting 6,000 to search, which means a daily budget of 200 rupees. 6,000 to shopping, same amount of money to shopping. 4,000 to PMAX. And 2,000 to demand dynamic remarketing. One other campaign I'm betting on has to be a demand gen campaign. Demand gen is also called as video conversion campaign. Google has renamed it from video conversion to demand gen. placement has to be for demand gen. Can someone tell me the placements of demand gen? What all placements do we have in demand gen?
YouTube Shorts.
YouTube, entire YouTube, not only shorts. YouTube as a entire platform. So it has YouTube, Gmail, and what else? Display. Does it also have display? And Discover. Do we have these 4 platforms in demand gen, by the way? Does someone know? Do you want to check? So here we have the demand gen campaign. If I take you in this demand gen campaign, then in the platforms, in the channels, you have these 4 channels: YouTube, Discover, Gmail, and Google Display Network. Okay.
Okay.
And that's why I want you to launch these campaigns in your own account so that you can remember these things. You won't remember it unless you run the campaigns in the accounts. Okay. And the best thing is demand gen allow us to choose the inventory. If we want, let's say if someone asks you, how will you run ads only on the Discover network? You have to go with demand gen and choose Discover in the placements. Like this. And Anjum, think about it. If we got all the sales on Google from PMax, don't you think running a demand gen Discover campaign would be a good option for us?
Yes.
Right?
Mm.
So why don't we dedicate some budget to demand gen? Okay, this is the name, video conversion. We don't need to write it. Okay. If I run it for video, it's a video conversion. Then I'm saying demand gen. 1 second. Discover campaign. Demand gen Discover campaign. Make sense? So here, the inventory has to be Discover only. If it's a demand video conversion campaign, the inventory has to be video only. Okay.
Okay.
So Abu, which campaign will you run if someone asks you to show the ads only on Gmail? Can you tell me that?
I think it's the same demand gen, but you're choosing only Gmail.
Okay. And what if interviews say, okay, what about launching a campaign that shows your ad on Discover, but along with it, it shows it on all the inventories of Google? Or it shows on Gmail, along with it, it shows it on all the inventories of Google. Which campaign will you run then?
So I do PMax and
That's the
and
only
then
one.
demand. Okay.
No, demand gen will not cover up all the inventories. It won't cover up search. It won't cover up Google Maps. It won't even cover up shopping as a Google shopping.com.
Okay.
Okay. So when it comes to targeting all the inventories, it has to be PMax only.
Okay.
Okay. But PMax does not give you any control. It has to be completely controlled by Google AI system. You only get the option of signals in it. In PMax.
Okay.
You will
Okay.
learn it when you launch this campaign. Anyways, so here demand gen video campaign, demand gen Discover campaign. We have to test these 2 campaigns to start getting some sales. Up until now, PMax and shopping, these 2 campaigns are generating good sales for us. And we got 9 sales in total from Gen, 6 from PMax, 3 from shopping. So all we have to do is to closely watch these campaigns and then improve sales from it. But then demand gen will be having some similar data. So let's say we assign, okay, we have to think about how much to assign to demand gen. Right now, I'm just going with this budget. So in total here we have 22,000 budget assigned to these campaigns. When I'm writing down the monthly budget, you simply have to divided by 30. If you want me to do it right now, I can just add a column, write it daily budget here, let's say, and I can simply use, one second. Okay, this is not from 1 month, this is for Feb 2026. Okay, I can simply use is equal to this divided by 30. I know Fab has 28, but I'm still using it 30. So we keep this. Okay. So the average daily budget for us is, this is the sum of all. Yep, 38,000, close to 40 for the entire month. So in Google, we are talking about, let's reduce it, 1,000 here, 1,000 here. Okay, so here we have created the Fab. Anyone having any challenges, any questions in this plan? Anything that you are not able to understand?
Yeah, I know I haven't yet gone through all the videos, but I don't know if you can quickly tell me why we're having to split all this budget in this manner, such that some are taking higher budget compared to others.
Okay, so one quick answer is search campaign bidding amount is always higher than the other campaigns. Search is the most expensive platform for us. So every click that we get from search campaign is expensive than other campaigns. That's why we have to allot more budgets to search to make it serve. Make sense?
Yes, yes. So in essence, the budget is given based on the cost per click of each of the platforms.
Yep. It has to be either cost per click, but that's not the only parameter. Sometimes if we feel that one campaign is generating good sales for us, we assign more budget to that campaign.
Okay.
But in order it to work, yes, we have to assign more budget to that campaign. Otherwise, the campaign will not serve at all. Search is the most important campaign of the entire digital marketing landscape. That's why we cannot avoid search. Okay. Ibu, make sense? You will get to know more about it when you will watch the media planning video of the modules. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now, guys, we have got this plan. You're welcome. We are talking about generating around 88 sales in the month of Feb if we spend 36,000 rupees for this month. We have selected the products too. Now, all we have to do is to start working on the campaigns. Okay. None of the campaign is in running mode right now. So I really have to start running these campaigns. To start with, let me quickly get into Google. Okay, so Google in India works on the prepaid mode. It won't work if we don't have any balance to the account. So right now we don't have any balance. I usually add this balance on the daily or on the weekly basis. So right now I am adding the budget for at least 7 days. So 20,000 divided by 7, by 4 is like 5,000. Plus I have to add the taxes as well, which is 18% in India. So I am adding 5,900 rupees in Google Ads, which is sufficient for a week's time. So PMAX is done. For other campaigns, I really have to go through all of these campaigns one by one. So any campaign which I don't want to work or which I don't feel to run, rather than pausing the campaign, because pausing the campaign would take it off from this list. Right now I'm looking at the enabled campaign names. I usually make it $1 or 1 rupee, which I'm doing right now. I will review it, make the changes, or I will ask any one of you to make these changes, and then only I will run these campaigns. Okay. So as of now in Google, I'm only going with a PMAX campaign with the 2 active products. One is butterfly pendant necklace. Anjum don't want to run this product because it's about to get out of stock. So I'm also pausing this product then. So now we only have one product. We are not using audience signals here, but we are using the search themes of green crystal necklace set. This is it. Then in Meta, if I quickly come over here, then here it's having, wait a second. Okay. So here we are having 2 campaigns. We really have to disable this link back campaign. We don't want to run it anymore. Necklace set retargeting campaign. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, this is the conversion campaign. So Anjum, earlier we had a product wise conversion campaign. Now do we again go product wise, or you think we have one conversion campaign which can have all the products inside it? I think that's a better strategy, right?
I'll think about it.
Okay, so right now I'm just renaming it conversion campaign. Take your time, think about it. 1 second. I don't know why it's taking this much of time to load. Okay. So here, this is the performing campaign for us. This campaign was earlier having only one product, which was white pearl ad set. I am saying, okay, let's say I enable this campaign and I name it as conversion campaign, Springtails conversion campaign. So let's say I name it ST_conversion campaign. And here, Anjum, I am pausing this ad set. And let's say here you add a new ad set for green crystal pendant first. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let me assign you this activity. Here is ClickUp. Ibu, I need your email ID.
IF.
Okay, it's IF.
Yes.
This one is right.
IFA.
Okay.
Yes, that's
I got it. I got it. You don't need to remind. So Ibu, we maintain the entire project on this task management tool. This is ClickUp. And here I'm sending you an invite. I'll explain you this entire portal in a while. So this is where we manage all the entire project. We have, wait a second. Okay, this is project. This is meta ads. This is the board view. So Anjum, in conversion campaign, we are having it active. What I'm assigning you is to, okay, add green necklace ad set. Okay.
Yes, I would need video for it.
For video, let me, I think I already have the video uploaded in the channel. Okay, so go to YouTube, find out Springtails channel, sorted by channel. Do we have a sorting here? Filter it by channels, right? For the ST logo. Okay, don't do it this way. Go to website. Springtails, we shall be having, okay, we don't have the YouTube linked here. Then how do I find the channel? Springtails.
Have you added a last video link there on ClickUp?
Here is the
Like
channel link. You will find it. I added the link. Yep. So go to the channel. In this channel, I already have this video here. Okay, you can download this video from here. Noted?
Okay.
If you want, I can share the channel link in here. Download video from this channel. Okay, done. So similarly, I want Abbas, Ibu, Aman. I also want you to assign these activities, but you really have to start deploying the campaigns in your own account. Get your hands and practice the accounts first. All right.
I will do it today only.
Great, Abbas. Thanks for that. Okay, now, so we are good with the ad accounts. You know where we are heading for the month of Feb. The account is already recharged. For Feb, I have already shared you the plan. One important thing that I have not done yet is creating the pairs. Let me check if I have a joinees. Okay, this is not for members certificate. No, this is something else. Training batches, Fab. Okay, this is for Fab. Yep. Okay, so this is the entire team management task. You can find it in the trainees batch Fab here. Right now, Google is being managed by Sandeep. You can see Google Ads Manager as Sandeep, Meta Ads Manager as Anjum. Okay. SMM Manager not decided. SEO lead has to be Aman. Even though Aman, we have to keep a separate call on discussing it, right? Now,
Yeah, sure.
in last call, thanks. In last call, we have talked about creating groups of you people. Let's say I make a group where two people can work with each other. I'm not sure if that's the right idea or not. That is something we can understand only after making all your groups. Okay. So right now, let me mention the names of people who I have. Let me make another tab here. I will, okay, not here. I can't do it here. Okay, so I have experienced and newbies. In experienced, we have Sandeep. Then we have Anjum. Then we have Suparna. Who else we have in experience? In newbies, we have Aman.
Faisal.
We have Abbas. Who else? Okay, we
Faisal, I
have
think he's experienced one.
Faisal. Faisal does not join the session regularly. That's the problem. We also have Suhail. He is not even joining the sessions regularly. He's also inexperienced. Who else do we have? We have Ibu. Okay. We have Suparna. We have Ibu. Okay. So Aman and Abbas, I think you guys have already made your batch, right? Hello, Aman, Abbas.
Yeah, Kamran
Yeah.
bhai.
Okay, great. So I guess you can work in pair, Aman and Abbas. I'm just mentioning it here. Aman is comparatively experienced than Abbas. So you two are done.
But Kamran bhai, both of
Hmm.
us don't know much about Google Ads and like
So let's say you group
both are
up with
at the
Sandeep.
same level.
So let's say you group with Sandeep. Will that be okay? You both work with Sandeep.
Okay.
That will work, right? Okay. Ibu, you can work with Anjum. She can start assigning you some activities. and Suparna, Faisal, Suhail are already there. Let them. Okay. So Ibu, maybe you don't understand this. So I don't, train people on the daily basis, because if I do so, it overwhelms everyone. I want people to work on the accounts. Hello.
Yes, I'm following with you.
Okay. So we have some managers. These are the account managers who are experienced people. I want you to work with these people along with me in the week.
Okay.
So usually I take 2 to 3 sessions in a week. So we have to take 5 sessions in a week. Let's say I take 2 sessions, then Sandeep take 1 session, Anjum take 1 session, and someone else can also take a session at the same time, 8:30.
Okay.
Where in those sessions you practice what you are being taught in this session.
Okay.
Okay. Take Monday as your day where you get to know things, where you get to learn things, and Tuesday, Wednesday as the day where you deploy things, where you practice on this account.
Okay.
Okay. So you won't learn if you won't practice.
Yes.
Okay. So, but you connect on the daily basis at 8:30, possibly. If at any point of time you think 8:30 is not working for you, then you can message. So you can join at 8:30 if you feel anyone in the group has shared the link of the for that particular day. You can join that link. You can see what other people are doing. You can discuss the things with them. But when you are in a batch, when you are in pair, then you can work in with that person as well. I'm not locking it right now. I'm planning how to do this thing. I'm looking forward to know if this thing is going to work or not. We already have this first group. 1 second. This is group 1, where we have Sandeep heading the group. Aman and Abbas are the learners of that group. Okay. So as of now, the recommended time is 8:30 p.m. IST. But if you want, you can do it beyond that. I usually I'm keeping Monday and Thursday for myself. If at any particular day I'm not available on Thursday, then Anjum joins on Thursday or Friday. Okay. So tomorrow,
Okay.
you guys can meet Aman, Abbas, Sandeep, and Ibu. If Anjum is available, Anjum, you can also meet with Ibu. Okay, you can have the session.
Sure.
Then right now, I really want Ibu to work with Aman and Abbas because they both are on the same page. So it's better that you work with Abbas and Aman right now, because even they have not launched their own campaigns in the accounts. Okay. Ibu, understood?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
Aman Abbas,
are you going to invite me
yes,
to the Google Ads Springtail account, or I will have to just
yeah, I
create
will have to. I totally
an
forgot that.
account?
No. Okay. Let me rephrase that. Okay, 1 second. I know what you're asking. So
Yeah.
one thing is to invite you in this ad account. I forgot adding your
Yeah.
email ID here. So here you get the email ID added. Okay, let me add you for 2 months. Standard access. Standard access means you can make any sort of changes in the ad account. But right now, I don't want you to make the changes because you don't know this project much.
Yes.
I expect you to start making these changes in a week's time.
Okay.
Now, hold on. Give me a second. Let me just add you. It troubles me when doing any because of two-step verification. Okay, here is India. This is 7011836797. Okay. Send. Wait a second. Let me enter the code, then only 583096. 583096. This is done. Now I have to send the invitation. Ibu, you have joined this session, you will get access of the ad account. Okay. So Ibu, I don't want you to launch all the campaigns in this account because otherwise this account will consume all of my money, right?
Okay, no.
You get it? Why?
Yeah, I'll follow your instructions. Don't worry about that. I'm not launching anything. I'm
No,
just
no.
gonna start
No,
after.
hear me out. You have to create one Google ad account for string trails of your own
Okay.
and launch all of these campaigns in that account.
Okay.
Practice the campaigns
Okay.
in that account. In fact, if you guys want, Aman, Abbas, and Ibu, you can have a shared account if you want it.
Okay. So we'll all have the same account, but we'll launch differently.
Yeah,
We'll launch.
it's totally fine. You can name, you can put your name. Let's say if Aman is launching a search campaign, he can name it search campaign -Aman, search campaign -Abbas, search campaign -Ibu. In that ways, you will be having different campaigns. It's totally up to you. It's going to be your call. I don't want to control you, how you practice things. But if you want, you can share one account and practice in that account so that all three of you work together. Abbas, Aman,
Okay.
how do you want to proceed? Do you want to proceed this way?
Yeah, fine.
Whatever you want, we will go this with the process.
Okay, so let's say because I have a MCC, I can create a practice account for people. Let me create this account, right? It's a better way of controlling things. Create new ad account. Spring Tails practice account. Okay. I don't know if this is the right spelling of practice. Okay. Do I name something else? Practice is fine. Do we have a better word?
Training account.
Training, not training account. Okay, my account is also training account. Anjum, any
Demo account.
Demo. Yeah.
Not demo. Okay,
Newbie,
let's name it
newbie account.
practice/demo account. Okay. The currency I'm keeping right now is India. Your currency is India. Time zone is India also. Now I have to add at least 3 of you people. So let me first add. Okay, this is the better way because if you have the practice account, I can also review your things from the practice account.
Yeah,
I haven't
think so.
thought
That's
of it, but I guess now it's good to have a practice account. Spring Tails practice/demo account. Then I want to add Aman. Aman, is this your email ID? Wait a second. Aman, is this your email ID? amanahmad.siddiqui 15?
Yeah.
Okay. So I am giving you standard access to start with. Save and continue.
Okay.
Okay. I stuck in billing. So usually when you create any fresh account, you also get stuck in billing. If you don't want it, then you click on cancel. No, yes. Do you want to cancel the billing configuration? Yes, I want to cancel the billing configuration, which means now we have the ad account, but without a billing here. So let me open up the account first. I have multiple accounts in my MCC. MCC means, what is MCC? My Client Center. That's the full form of MCC. MCC practice account. Here we don't have any campaign. Let me add it in my bookmarks. So guys, here you all three have to work. Let me go to access and security. Aman, you have to accept the access along with you, Abbas and Ibu.
Okay.
Ibu. Sorry. Ibu, how do you pronounce?
IF.
Is it
IFA. Yes, that's it.
My bad. I every time start searching with your initials. Okay, so Ibu, I'm not giving you any expiry dates here. This is fine. Providing you standard access, sending invitation. So now you have to accept invitation of 2 accounts. Third. What is the third thing?
Meta. I've not had access to the.
I know. No, first I have to add Abbas as well. I'll add Meta in Meta as well. Abbas, how do you spell your email ID? Abbas.
SM Abbas. S Syed M Mohammed Abbas. ABBAS. SM Abbas 250.
Is
At
it this one?
gmail.com.
smabbas@gmail.com. Okay, this is fine. Okay. So adding you in here as well. Standard access. So now you guys, all three of you can work together in this add account. Okay. Now, when you make any campaign, then make it this way. Let's say if you are making a search campaign, search hyphen your name. Okay. So
Okay.
always put your name after the campaign name so you know which is your campaign.
Okay.
The account is not any billing, so you don't have to worry about this pendings. It won't consume any budget. All right.
Okay.
And slowly and gradually, when you will launch all the campaigns, someday I can also review your campaigns. All right.
Thank you.
But make these campaigns as you are making the campaign for the actual project.
Okay.
Okay, don't make it like any random campaigns, like any test campaigns. Make it just like the actual campaigns that you will make for a project when you will work on it someday.
Okay.
Because when you get into job interviews, you will be getting asked how you set up the things in the campaigns. Okay. So make sure of what you are doing in this account. Now, quickly coming into Meta, as I have to provide access of the main account to Ibu first. Meta has to be managed by the business manager. How do I open business manager account? 1 second. Okay. So now, I don't know. Okay, ads manager, sorry. Ads manager. Okay, I think I am business settings here, bottom left. In people, we have Anjum, we have Aman, we have Suparna, we have Sandeep, we have, then these two are my IDs. Now I have to add Ibu here. Just start with IF. Okay, here we have Ibu's ID. Okay, Ibu, here you go. Temp access. Providing it for next 2 months, let's say for now. Basic. Okay, next. So first of all, I have to assign you the Springtails pages. You can post the things in terms of ad accounts. I have 2 ad accounts here. I have to create one more Springtails training ad account, which I will do after a while. Then I will add you guys in that Springtails training ad account as well. So here in Meta also, I will be creating a Springtails practice/demo account. Okay, give me some time for that. As of now, you have Google to work on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ibu, here I am providing you access for this one, Springtail's ad account. This is a separate account which I use to target people in terms of joining this training. I run separate campaigns for this work.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
manage campaigns, view performance. Next. Okay, 1 second. In catalog, I have to add you in this Shopify product catalog as well. Manage everything. In terms of apps, I don't have to add you in any apps. In terms of pixel, this account pixel, view pixel, manage pixel. In terms of Instagram account, you already added. In terms of WhatsApp, you don't need it right now. Next, invited 4 assets. Invitation request sent for approval. Okay. So I have a 2-step verification. Anytime I send an approval, it does not go directly. Meta business has to be reviewed by someone else. So I have to review this request from my another account. So Meta is very frustrating sometimes. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. I don't even remember this account. Okay, this is the account. This is the password. I have to come here. I don't have a... Oops, I got a code at my phone, perhaps. So adding and removing people from Meta is quite a tedious task. Okay, I got a code 421681. 421681. Continue.
Please, how long does this session last for?
So usually I want to keep the sessions only for an hour.
Oh, okay. Okay. An
But
exception for
sometimes,
today.
yeah,
Yeah.
like sometimes, in fact, most of the time it breaches the window. I totally hate it, but can't control it.
Okay. Okay.
I really want to end up everything in an hour, but most of the time I'm carried away by the topic which I'm discussing. Anyway, so here I have to open up business.facebook.com. I shall be having, then go to settings from here. Oh God. Very stupid. Hold on. So Meta is always having lots of security. 473801. 473801. Not now. I don't want to create a passkey. So here I have to get into this account first. And then I further have to get into this thing, needs approval. Before I do so, let me bookmark it. Let me rename it. Springtail Meta approvals. Save. So from here, I have to additionally approve your request. Then only you will get the invite. Done. All right, Ibu.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. So guys, that's all the day, I guess. Now we have good things to cover up in next month. Let's see how much you have in your sleeve. Okay. So Abbas, I'm thinking if I can separately have a discussion for you and make you the head of this SMM thing. Do you think it will work for you?
Okay.
Do you think you can work on it?
Like other than the ads,
Other than the ads,
I think maybe
I'm not assigned it
considering
to you.
the time, it would be like
Hmm.
difficult.
Okay, not a problem. I'll try to dedicate it to someone else. Cool.
I'll try to work on it.
But if someone
But I
wants
need some
like
training.
suggestions or anything, I can give.
Okay, I'll check. Okay. Aman, when can we have our call to discuss the SEO things?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, same time, 8:30?
Yeah.
Okay, but I guess tomorrow you connect with Ibu and Abbas to discuss about or to launch these campaigns first.
Okay. Then
Okay.
we will connect as per your
Okay.
convenience.
So we can discuss it. You guys are there in the group. If we want to discuss anything, we can do it in the group. All right.
Okay.
Good to go.
Okay. Okay.
All right, people. So let's end the session for today, and then let's see how do we proceed from here. All right, guys. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, Kanan.
Bye.